JJ Conway. You can find me on the web at jjconway.org. Also meetup.com/buildwealth with JJ Conway, and my new ministry page, kingstownfamilylifecenter.org. You are not going to believe what I found today. Well, you're going to believe it because you're looking at it right now, but we were painting the Kingstown Family Life Center back in January. And we did like a lot of us do when we're painting. We wrapped them up we wrapped our paint supplies in plastic bags and put them in the fridge or put them somewhere to try to keep the paint fresh for the next day. And I guess when we were done, we must have just been so tired that we didn't even bother to put them back, So imagine my surprise when today, because we're getting ready to buy a house and I'm trying to move out of this apartment and go through my stuff and everything, I find this bucket that we used with all these paint supplies and a whole bunch of others that I threw away because, this one has a little bit of rust going on here, but I mean, some of them were all rusted all over the place. I was like, oh, I can't do anything with that, but what a waste, But I mean, okay, live and learn. Let me tell you this trick that I just discovered. I was searching around on the internet and I saw a bunch of different things about how it's better to just throw them away and get new ones, or here's some things you can try, but it might hurt. So I just figured I got to throw it away anyway, but I don't like to throw away God's money, and it was the saints' tithes and offerings that went into buying this stuff, so I'm going to figure out what I can do to get as much of it preserved as possible. So I got some acetone and I put it there in a glass bowl, and I let this brush over here sit for a little bit, and then I scraped off as much as I could with a butter knife because I did not realize that my grill brush actually had a scraper on it. So I did that, and then I put it back into soak, and then I went and grabbed the other brush, and while it was soaking, I went and attacked the first brush with the bristles to really clean everything out. And then once I felt like it was clean enough to do a test run, I went and used the dish soap, lots of dish soap, and washed it out. And look at this. It looks brand new, y'all. It looks brand new. Can you believe that? In about 5 minutes. I'm so amazed. I totally did not even think this was going to work. If I had, I would have done a before and after. So I'm going to at least try this much of a before and after. Okay, these are the 3 brushes that I was able to salvage. This one, the one that's already finished, and the one that I need to start scrubbing with the bristles now. Just some notes on using acetone. Make sure you have a well-ventilated area. I've got the patio door open and all the fans going to move the air around. If you feel lightheaded or dizzy or anything like that, that means you don't have enough ventilation. So either stop completely or move your project outdoors, which is probably the best place to do it, but I don't have that luxury because I live upstairs. I'm JJ Conway. I hope this has been a help to you. If my 6 months old stuff found stuffed in the closet that we totally forgot about can be made to look brand new again, so can yours. And you know what? Since we're talking about stuff that was bought for ministry, I think that's a great parallel for life. No matter how old, beat up, crusty, rusty, messed up you get, it doesn't take the Lord but a minute to make you brand new again. Man, I wish I'd have come up with that before I made the video because it would have been a lot more polished. But I'm not going to re-record it because I think my neighbors are tired of me making videos. But anyway, please let me know if these videos are helping y'all out. I'm JJ Conway. You can find me on the web at jjconway.org, meetup.com/buildwealth with JJ Conway, and of course, the KingstownFamilyLifeCenter.org.